Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our Euro JPY. So in order for us to be able to predict what Euro JPY will be giving us for the week, right? Before we do go ahead and predict what markets will be doing for the week, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments. And also guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates we are going to be posting for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, back to our analysis. Before that, right, if you are a struggling trader and you would want to learn how to trade properly, you would also want to be trading with us, right? All you just need to do is subscribe to the mentorship program that is currently going on and it is currently happening in the Patreon channel, right? So if you've not yet subscribed to the Patreon channel, right, all you just need to do is go to the comment section. You will see the link to the Patreon channel. Subscribe to the Patreon channel, right, and subscribe to the mentorship program. Once you do that, right, you will be able to trade with us, right, get back-to-back updates, and also get back-to-back updates. Also, you will be getting a potential trade movement, a potential movement for the week, and weekly, weekend, every live. We are going to be going live every weekend. You also go live with us every weekend. So if you're interested in any of this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now, if you take a look at this EURJPY, before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. And as you can see on our EURJPY, we are in an uptrend move. We are in an uptrend move, right? As you can see, there is a series of higher high and higher low, right? Market is clearly pushing to the upside, right? This is a bullish move to the upside. That is what market is doing. Market is literally moving to the upside, right? Now, guys, take a look at this right here. This is the high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market was now able to push up again to form an high, then here comes the higher low. Market was now able to push up again to form a new high, and here comes the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and then here comes the higher low, right? Now we'll be anticipating for another push up that will form a new higher high. First, it will come to form an equal high, then push up further to form a new higher high. So this is to tell you that for the next 2, 3, and even 4 months, EURJPY is going to be giving us a bullish move. So if you would want to do anything on your EURJPY, you would want to be going in for the buy. So what you should do now, go for the buy and hold your buy position, because in the long run, you are going to make a lot from this movement. Now, if you have to zoom it in, this move, such a movement right here, and market push up, you will be making about more than 400 pips. So there is about more than 400 pips to be grabbed on EURJPY. So a further movement to the upside is what we are going to be anticipating for next. On our daily time frame right here, so market has just given us a double bottom right here. You can see that market is rejected from here, right? That the first rejection there. Then this is our second rejection. Then here comes the third rejection. This is also the fourth rejection, and now this is the fifth rejection. You can see that in this fifth rejection, we had a double bottom right here. So first touch, market push up. Market was able to come back again to give us a second touch, and now it has pushed up to break our neckline. Now you can wait for a pullback, the market will eventually push up again. So markets will continue the movement to the upside. That is what I want you guys to know. If continuous bullish move, what you are going to be expecting on EURJPY. So whatever you would want to be doing on your EURJPY, you want to be going in for the buy. So more bullish move is out for this week. So in order for you not to miss out on more updates, all you just need to do is subscribe to the mentorship program going on. You will find a link to the mentorship program in the comment section.